Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. In today's video we are going to show you how we can change the dimension number. Unfortunately, you cannot. In the AutoCAD, you had a dimension and you can change it to any number you want. For example, delete this and you have 10 meters, okay? And the lecturer will not ask you about it. But in Revit, the case is different. You cannot do this, unfortunately. For example, just select this and select the line and click on this. Replace it with the text. You just have the ability to replace it with the text. For example, 12 meters. And apply, it becomes 12 meters. This is how you can change it, okay? Or make it a space, you see? Or use actual value and okay. This is how we can only have the ability to change uh, the the dimension. And I have an advice: always try to be realistic with your drawings. Don't trick your lecturer, because Revit is intended for you to make best results, and it's just how Revit works for your favor. Try to make everything correct. Don't try to trick the lecturer, and it's for your favor. I know that it's a little bit hard. I didn't try to make these things in AutoCAD to change the dimension number, etc., etc. But I knew it. I knew this trick. Okay, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.